And we all know the challenges we've been having with the judiciary. People have been denied. Justice has been denied several times. Not just delayed. And then you find out that something will happen in terms of elections. The judgment will delay until the period almost over. I know that we are seeing some corrections, some improvements recently. But how is it that, how can we bring in a change in this process to be sure that Nigerians can beat their chest to say that today I have a system that if I report my case or if I feel denied, I can, proudly go there and have, a smile in my face. I was discussing with somebody the day before yesterday. The people who better in Nigeria now, Nigerians now better go to Berekete family to report their case than to report it to the police or to even to go to court. Why? How can we now, hand over the rights of people to individual in Nigeria rather than the system that people are hired and paid for and that they are supposed to work for us? Look at the placement of the security system in Nigeria. All the police are assigned to rich people, the policy makers and so on. General citizens are left to be on their own. The policing is not there. The security is not there. The justice is not there. So what is the benefit of the poor? You and I know the amount of taxes that we pay to the government. So what is happening? The education system, nothing. Water system, the roads are failing. The only way I see government being busy is in the offering and the issuing of contracts, which many people who are issuing the contracts are also beneficiaries of. I don't have the facts to present here, but the fact is that we need to do something different, not business as usual, so that we can be proudly say, yes, okay, apart from the individual work we are doing as individual organizations, we have a cause to be together, have a coalition, while maintaining our independent identity, but yet we have one voice that if we stand, even if there's somebody, government want to arrest or something, there is no one to arrest individually because we are talking about critical mass that speak with one voice. Ladies and gentlemen, may I crave your indulgence that this is something that I want to do and then it's not our own. It's now, the whole process belongs to the coalition. And that's why we are saying it's going to be citizen driven. The member of the technical committee is here, Sesha, and we know that people have worked in this sector for a very long time. Let us bring our ideas, our goals together, and together make an accountable judicial system. Thank you very much once again for having me.